How to unblock people on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video I'll show you how you can unblock people on Facebook, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now what you have to do is, let's say you've blocked some people in the past and now you want to simply unblock them. Well, it's relatively simple to do that. Just go ahead and then launch the Facebook app on your phone. Once you launch the Facebook app, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Tap on the three lines on the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three lines, scroll down to the bottom, select settings and privacy, and once you select settings and privacy, here you want to go to the option that says settings at the top, and as soon as you go to settings, here you will find all these sorts of various options. You just need to go to the one that says profile settings at the top, and as you go to profile settings, here you'll have to look for the option that says blocking. So under privacy tab you can see blocking section. Just tap on it, and to tap on it you'll be able to see a list of all of the people you've blocked in the past. So if you want to unblock either of these, just tap on the unblock button next to it. It'll ask you for a confirmation. Just tap on the unblock button. Now keep in mind that if you were friends with them before, you blocked them and now you want to unblock them, they're going to be removed from your friends list, so you have to keep that in mind as well. And once you've done so, that's all it takes to go ahead and unblock people on Facebook. You can go ahead and repeat the process for other people as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.